My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alapi. My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alapi. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you.
It was not the word. I'm from Srinagar. My name is not the word. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you.
My name is Suprada. I'm from